While students are on summer break, Northwest ISD is busy preparing for the 2018-2019 school year. The district's 18th elementary school, Lizzie Curtis Elementary, is advancing quickly with daily construction progress and will open on August 27th for students. The school is located in Hawthorne Meadows, a brand new subdivision in Fort Worth, and is named after the first teacher in Hazlet. Along with Lizzie Curtis, Northwest ISD is opening its 6th middle school, Leo Adams Middle School. The campus is located near Schluter Elementary and B.R. Eaton High School and is nearing completion with furniture and supplies being delivered. Northwest ISD broke ground on Lance Thompson Elementary School in a ceremony on June 27th. Funds to construct the school were included in the 2017 bond package. It is expected to open in August 2019. For updates on these construction projects and more, please visit us at www.nisdtx.org.